Hey everybody, welcome back for another video. Hope you're all doing great and having a great day. So this is something that I've spoken about many times before. You guys know how I felt about ICOs and what they entailed and how many of them were scams. And it appears that China has officially banned all ICOs in the country. This is not a surprise to me, but it might be for many other people, especially because of the way the markets reacted. So they have indicated that the new age fundraising mechanism is forbidden under domestic law, and this sentiment was backed by by multiple organizations within China. This statement was backed by the People's Bank of China, the Central Network Office, the Ministry of Finance and Information Technology, the State Administration for Industry and Commerce, and the Banking Regulatory Commission in China. They all released the exact same statement at the exact same time, which was kind of spread around, and this is what caused the news to spread around so quickly. The statement reads, ICO financing refers to the activity of an entity raising virtual currencies, such as Bitcoin or Ethereum, through illegally selling and distributing tokens. In essence, it is a kind of non-approved illegal open fund raising behavior suspected of illegal sale tokens, illegal securities, insurance, and illegal fundraising, financial fraud, pyramid schemes, and other criminal activities. That pretty much says exactly what they think about it. So notably, all ICOs have to cease immediately. That is so the moment this thing came out, if you were part of an ICO, you had to stop immediately. If you were funding one, you had to completely stop every single thing. The craziest part, I think, of all of this, it goes on to say in the thing that that they released, persons or organizations who have completed ICO shall refund the investors and deal with the risks properly, adding that those who do not refund investors will be punished by law. So this literally means that any money that they had raised must be given back to the original investors. It makes me really wonder if a lot of this money is actually still available, because there were rumors a couple weeks ago that there were a lot of ICOs. I think there was an article on CoinDesk or Cointelegraph, I can't remember exactly which one, that these huge ICOs had finished, or rather these people were making millions from ICOs, and a lot of people from the team were flying to Barbados, and they were using the services of other humans who can be found on the street. I did not know any other way to say that. Like, I literally couldn't think of any other way to phrase that. But apparently there was one ICO that I think they lost around like $500,000 within 2 weeks or something like that, because they were just completely partying. And it makes me really wonder, I'm sure that this has happened as well in China. So it makes me wonder if some of this money is still available or what these people will do. So if you guys have been looking at the charts, the largest ICO tokens on the market took a major hit in price. EOS completely fell. I told you guys before in another video that do not get into EOS, especially when it hit $5. It hit $1. I told you the price was probably okay, and now I believe it's 97 cents, which is crazy. QTUM has also fallen, and Omise Go, one of my favorite coins in the entire world, has also dropped in price. And at one point, Neo, especially a couple hours ago, had actually dropped around by 40% in price. The market's slowly picking back up, but you can tell that everything is completely in red and a lot of things have taken huge hits. One of the non-surprising hits, there are a lot of people who kind of freaked out that this happened, but this didn't surprise me at all. Ethereum has also taken a hit as well, because a lot of the ICOs were actually built on their platform. The price of Ethereum fell below 300 for a brief period, but people have been picking it back up, because I'm hoping a lot of people understand that just because China has done something or Russia does something, that it doesn't affect the entire cryptocurrency market. But everyone's in a panic, especially after what happened this weekend. You know, there was that huge dip, and then for them to release this information on a Monday or the day right after is not very fair for them to do that, because it's like it was almost coordinated to kind of drop the market. But I wouldn't be surprised if this was done for them to buy up their own coins. But yeah, that's literally the craziest news for today. There's nothing else crazier that has come out. The entire market has, so certain coins were dropping by 20 to 40%, like I said, all because of this news. I expect, unless we get some other crazy type of news, everything should be relatively back to normal, more or less, quote unquote, by around like Wednesday or Thursday. You know, the market's already slowly going back up. You know, people aren't as afraid as I thought they would be after something like this happened. But yeah, all right, guys, that is going to do it for this video. I hope you guys are doing okay after all this. I hope you guys moved your money around. And you know what? The market is low enough, especially because we know that prices will eventually go back up. It's a really good time to buy. Just throwing that out there. All right, guys, that's going to do it for this video. I hope you guys are enjoying wherever you are. I hope you guys have a great day, evening, afternoon, morning, wherever you might be. And I'll talk to you all soon. See you. Hey everyone, thank you very much again for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys would like to help me and the channel, there are ways to do so in the description below. Thank you very much and talk to you guys soon.